Today I want to push the limits of 3D printing and see if it's possible to actually 3D print the perfect spread of Nutella. Okay, so first we're going to test if this is even possible by just doing a little smiley face on the bread. Perfectly spread chocolate on the bread here. Okay, that worked, but let's see if the bread is uniform enough to print a pattern across the whole surface that has words. Look at that. The perfect spread of chocolate on bread. Okay, now for the real test. Let's see if I can get a perfectly uniform spread of Nutella that uniformly covers the entire piece of bread. So in order to print the spread right on top of it in the right place, what I did is I took a picture of the bread and then I turned it into a vector. And then I turned the vector into an STL format. So it's basically just a flat image that I made have a certain thickness. So this thickness is going to be the thickness of the Nutella. So right now I'll just try it 4 layers thick. Now I have the 3D file of the Nutella, but I don't know exactly where it's going to print on the bed. So in order to figure out where it's going to print, first I'll zero it at its normal location right above the plate. It'll start printing the Nutella pattern right on the plate. And then I'll re-zero it exactly the thickness of the bread. So I'll stick the bread underneath and zero it according to the thickness of the bread. And I'll leave that Nutella pattern so I know exactly where to place the piece of bread. It's working. The perfect spread. After hours and hours of trial and error, we have it, the perfect spread of Nutella. Look at that perfect thickness, exactly matching the pattern of the bread itself, as if the Nutella gods themselves had spread the Nutella on this piece of bread.